Hi everyone, this isn't a normal language lesson today, it's an apology.
We haven't been able to produce a new language video for quite a few weeks now because we've been very, very busy.
And what have you been busy with?
We are moving.
Yes.
We're selling our house and we're moving somewhere else. So Vicky, why are we moving?
We need to downsize. Our house is too big and we can save a lot of money on the mortgage if we live somewhere else.
But now we have to give up a lot of our stuff.
Yes.
That's really hard for me.
And a lot of this month we've spent our time decluttering.
We are throwing things out in big bags and leaving them out for the trash collectors, or as Vicky would say, the dustmen.
Yes. And Jay finds throwing things away very hard, don't you?
I do.
I've been trying to tell him about Marie Kondo. You know, the wonderful Japanese lady who says you have to pick up something and say, does it spark joy? And if it doesn't, then you throw it away. Well, no, first of all, you say,
Thank you for your service.
That's right. A lot of that's been happening. The thing I find hard to throw away is books, but I've managed to get rid of about 4 so far, and I've got a place that will accept donations.
I've had to throw out all my college books, and that was really hard.
Yeah, and I meant 4 boxes so far.
Uh-huh.
Lot more than 4 books, 4 big boxes. But in fact, I've calculated I've got about another 20 boxes to go. And luckily these days, most books you can buy as e-books. So I'm reasoning if it's important and I really want it, I'll go and get an e-book version.
Now there's something everyone out there is going to want to know.
What's that?
Where are we moving?
Oh, we have no idea.
We are moving to wherever Vicky wants. So we're looking at lots of places, but we haven't made a final decision yet. We'll let you know when we do.
Yeah, and it takes me a while to decide, to make a big decision like where. So I've been doing lots of research into that as well.
I was supposed to be doing that, but one thing we have learned over the years is that when I have to buy a house, I'll find the first one I like and buy it right away.
Yes.
So this time I said, Vicky, you find the house.
That's right. I think it'll cause a lot fewer arguments.
Less stress.
Yes.
Now, the other thing that's happened recently is in our brutal winter here in Philadelphia, is our heating system stopped working properly.
I know. Just at the time when we needed to do lots of repairs around the house, whenever the temperature went below 0, it packed in, it stopped.
That's 0 centigrade or 0 Celsius. Of course, in America, that's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And whenever it goes below 32, it gets really cold in here.
So that's why we're all wrapped up warm today. Actually, this is the warmest I've been for ages because we've got some lights on here and they're generating a bit of heat.
The studio is always warmer than the rest of the house.
Yeah, my nose is cold.
We have a new heating system that's already been delivered and it will be installed in a couple of days. But in the meantime, we have space heaters, electric heaters around the house to keep us warm.
Yeah.
But it's been a very difficult couple of weeks.
Yeah. And another thing that's going to be happening on Monday is Jay managed to sell his sound booth. What is it? Well, it's a whisper room, isn't it?
Whisper room is a soundproof booth that just is big enough for me, and it has a wonderful microphone in it, and I do lots of voiceover recordings and narrations in it for not only our YouTube channel, but for many other programs that I work on. And we can't take it with us because it's way too, this thing weighs 980 pounds, almost 1,000 pounds. And
it's very big. And we're going to be moving to somewhere smaller. And you don't use it as much as you used to, do you?
No, most of our work is done right here in front of the camera now, so we don't use the sound booth very much. But I've sold it, and there's a guy coming on Monday to pick it up, and we have to take it apart over this weekend
And we thought we'd been so organised because we have a friend who is a sound engineer and he was going to come and help us dismantle it tomorrow.
Except we've had a blizzard in the Philadelphia area and all the streets are covered with ice. So it's very possible he won't be here. Vicki and I have had to study YouTube videos on how to dismantle this thing, and we're going to get to work on it tomorrow morning.
And we've got the piano movers coming on Monday morning. It's not because we have a piano anymore, it's because we realised that they would have the big equipment you need to move the heavy bass of the sound booth.
The base of the sound booth weighs 480 pounds, and it's too heavy for us to carry down 1.5 flights of stairs.
So basically we've sort of been beset with problems all month, haven't we?
So we apologize that we haven't been able to get a new video out on language. However, we promise that once we're set up in our new digs, wherever that is, where is that? Oh, we don't know. Wherever that is, we'll start putting out more videos. In the meantime, of course, we have over 300 videos on our YouTube channel. And if you want more specific videos to look at, go to simpleenglishvideos.com, where they're set out by category, right?
Yes.
What are the categories?
Oh, we've got vocabulary, British and American English, grammar. You'll find different sections there.
Simpleenglishvideos.com has the same videos on our YouTube channel, but it may let you look at them in a more orderly fashion while you're waiting for us to come up with new ones.
Yes. And because I don't know when we're going to get the opportunity to make another video, to make more videos yet, I thought that I would start posting photos and things like that on the community tab on YouTube. So please keep in touch with us there, and please bear with us. We will try to get back to you as soon as we can, and we'll tell you on the community tab or somehow or the other how it's going and what's happening, and we can tell you about the process of buying and selling a house.
Well, it's starting on Tuesday. We have someone coming to do what?
Oh, they're going to stage the house.
It's like a set decorator on a movie set.
Yes.
So that's coming, and there'll be photographs. And then, of course, we had to hire a real estate agent.
They're very expensive in America.
They take 6% of the sale price.
And in the UK, it's normally much less than that. I mean, if you have to pay 3%, it's a lot. But
so we interviewed, 4, 5, 6,
Yes.
6 real estate agents, something like that, until we made a decision about who we felt most comfortable working with.
And I think she's going to be great. She's really good, I think.
I think so too. Then, well, we'll see what happens after we sell the house.
Now, here's the thing. Sometimes houses sell quickly and sometimes they sell slowly, and we have no way of knowing. But apparently, there's a graph like this. A lot will sell in the first 10 days. And then if you haven't sold in 10 days, the graph drops and you have no idea how long it will take to sell. But you have to be ready to move pretty quick. It's not like the UK. In the UK, house purchases often fall through. Things go wrong and you can't sell your house.
Well, we're hoping we'll sell this in the first 10 days after it goes on the market.
Keep your fingers crossed for us.
It's interesting, here in Philadelphia, housing prices have gone up by 15% over the last year. And the number of houses available for sale in Philadelphia has dropped by 9%. So it's a seller's market. And that's good for us, not so good for the buyers, but
It won't be good for us when we're buying.
You're right.
Okay, so apologies for not having a language-based video for you this month, but wanted to tell you where we were and what we were doing.
And we'll see you all soon with a new language video as soon as we get set up. Contact us. We always look at the comments on the YouTube channel, and we respond to them whenever we can. So we'll be glad to hear from you there. Look at the community tab, and we'll respond to comments there as well.
Okay, guys, bye-bye now.
See ya.